heard tell about you. What's that? Something up with these two. Them old boys done rode a lot of miles, went to a lot of trouble just to get that gal. People troublemaker. You silver-tongued devil, you. They playing your ass for a fool. Your boss looks a little green around the gills. I'm just a little more used to Americans than he is. It's time to rescue your wife. That's what I'm doing. I'll get dirty. Y'all ain't gonna make it out of this county alive. Sons of bitches. No doubt. Me and my sister, we have a past. We almost died at the hands of a witch. But that past made us stronger. We'd gotten a taste of blood, witch blood. And we haven't stopped since.
My name is Gretel, and this is my brother Hansel.
I'm not going to have you telling me what to do.
How do you best kill a witch?
Cutting off her head tends to work.
I hate that one.
The last 2 weeks, we had 5 children taken from us. The witch does not come out in the open like that. I don't think we're hunting witches. There's something else going on here.
We have to find those kids.
Let's start with this. Shoot anything that moves.